So hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. This is going to be a quick one. And if you can't tell, yes, I am a big fan of Pelican cases, and I have been for over a decade. The yellow case on the bottom here is my oldest one that I've had for more than 10 years, still kicking, and I still use it on a regular basis. But this week, I decided to get the new Pelican Sky series, the iM2100. And there is a reason for that. These are the types of places that I've been flying over the past few weeks. Been doing some new construction builds for a builder in the area, and a lot of this new construction, hey, it's Arizona. It's dirty, it's dusty, it's windy. My truck is full of dirt, and the drone bag that I'd been using has also been accumulating dirt. So I've been vacuuming it out now and again. But not only the locations where I'm working, but even the location where I live. Here goes an Airstream. We've got dirty, dusty roads, so the dust gets kicked up. It gets in the Airstream. It gets in everything. And what it doesn't get into are these Pelican cases. So my new iM2100 Sky series showed up the other day. It's got room for 2 batteries, my charger, my controller, and my Mavic 2 Pro drone. And I gotta say, I'm really digging it. I was kind of at a loss as to whether or not I should get the larger one, but I really do like the size of this particular case. In total, I've got 2 spare batteries plus the battery in the Mavic Pro. And normally for the jobs that I've been doing over the past couple of weeks, 3 batteries is fine. I do bring along the yellow case as well, and that yellow case has my 4th battery just in case. So overall, if you're looking for a really solid hard case for your Mavic 2 Pro, I think Pelican is a great way to go. I know there's some additional expense to the Pelican cases, and there are other knockoff brands out there, but like I said, my yellow case, been with me for over a decade. It's been canoeing, it's been kayaking, it's been dumped into lakes, it's been dropped in rivers, it's gone through all of the abuse that a Pelican case can go through. And when I've used that case with my Canon cameras and my lenses, I gotta say, I always know that they're protected. So really thrilled with the new cutouts in this particular Pelican case. Just about everything fit perfectly. The one thing that jumped out at me though was where you set the actual drone into, the cutout there. On the back side of that, it was a little too tight. So when I actually dropped the drone into the case, the foam there was pushing up on the props ever so slightly. So I just took a razor blade, shaved that down ever so slightly, and the drone fits into that perfect. Other than that, no quality issues whatsoever with the case, and I'm really happy to have it. And I've already been using it for several days now since it came in. So we've migrated the Mavic 2 Pro into that particular case, and the original Mavic Pro is actually riding around in my yellow case. Since I'm going to all these dirty, dusty work sites where there's still work going on, I just want to keep the dust down to a minimum so that I'm not damaging my drones. And I gotta say, these Pelican cases do the job.